Hi car enthusiasts, welcome to your own YouTube channel, The Autoverse. Today we're diving into the new 2024 Miner, a modern take on the iconic classic that blends vintage charm with futuristic technology, delivering an extraordinary driving experience. The 2025 Morris Minor keeps the iconic silhouette that made the original so beloved, with a blend of classic and contemporary design elements. Its rounded body, distinctive front grille, and signature circular headlights remain faithful to its heritage, but this version brings sleek modern lines and updated LED lights to the forefront. The retro design is enhanced by vibrant color options and two-tone paint schemes, giving it an undeniable nostalgic appeal while still feeling fresh and modern. Beneath the retro exterior, the Morris Minor is fully electric, marking a significant shift towards sustainability. The car features an efficient electric motor that provides excellent power for city driving and short trips. Despite its vintage look, the car packs enough modern power, delivering a smooth, quiet ride that's both eco-friendly and fun to drive. It offers a range of up to 150 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for urban commutes and weekend adventures, while fast charging capability ensures you're back on the road quickly. Inside, the 2025 Morris Minor perfectly balances nostalgia and innovation. The cabin includes classic styling cues, like a minimalist dashboard and retro-inspired steering wheel, while incorporating the latest technology. A digital driver display gives you all the vital information at a glance, and the central touchscreen infotainment system supports full smartphone connectivity, offering features like navigation and music streaming. The comfort is also a priority, with spacious seating, high-quality materials, and sustainable options, ensuring the interior is as environmentally friendly as the electric powertrain. When it comes to safety, the new Morris Minor has you covered. It includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features provide added confidence on the road, making it not only a stylish choice but also a safe and reliable one for everyday use. If you're a fan of classic cars but want the benefits of modern technology, the 2025 Morris Minor is a perfect blend of the old and new. It's sure to turn heads wherever you go while providing a fun, sustainable driving experience. If you enjoyed this look at the future of driving and want to stay updated on more groundbreaking vehicles, don't forget to subscribe to The Autoverse and enable notifications for all our future content. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time with more exciting automotive news.